to Mena's Daily Dose. My name is Mena. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are already part of the fam, hello. How are you? Thank you for your continued support. So today I am packing for vacation, and this right here is what I have so far. But when I pack for vacation, I like to pack over the course of a couple of days. If I really need to expedite the process, then I will go ahead and, you know, pack in one day. But I like to take my time, and as you see, I like to create my outfits before I pack. It's just less stressful when you go ahead and configure your outfits before you get to your destination, because in the past, honey, I've packed everything separately and then tried to match it together, and I was like, I don't like how that looks, I don't like how that looks. And I also do try on some outfits together just to make sure I like how they look, especially if I haven't worn those two pieces together yet. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we are going to focus on clothes, okay? Yes, you saw one pair of shoes that I have, but I like to focus on packing my clothes first before I do anything else. So as you know, when you pack, you're gonna have your outfits for the day, you're going to have your shoes to go with those outfits, and then you're also going to have your sleepwear, any type of undergarments that you're going to wear, accessories, makeup, perfume. Honey, it's a lot, okay? But I am focusing on my outfits. So I'm a person where I match my shoes with my clothes. We'll leave the shoes till later on, but I really don't like to pack a ton of shoes. I like to make sure that my shoes can adapt to any outfit. So this right here is the bag that I use. So as you see, this is a Nike bag, and I really do love this bag. I've had this bag since I was in college, and I absolutely love it. Overall, there are 3 compartments to this bag. We have a larger section, which is where I actually put my outfits. Then we have a smaller section, which is where I put my shoes and my makeup and accessories. Smaller compartment at the end, which is where I actually pack my undergarments and any type of feminine care products that I need on the trip. And then, of course, like a lot of other bags you have, which is on this side, you have different little compartments where you can put extra things. So as you see, I have like a little kit right there. That's like a first aid kit. I always keep that in my bag. You know, you never know when you're gonna need a band-aid, honey. But yes, so it had, this right here has a compartment, so I can put anything, you know, there. I have roughly 10 outfits, okay? So one thing that I like to do when I pack, and this is how I optimize my space in my luggage, is I roll it up. Now, I know you guys have heard this before about rolling up your clothes, and maybe you don't think it works. Maybe you don't, but it does. It definitely saves on space. So I love to roll my clothes up and put them in the suitcase. So let's go ahead and get it. So as you see right here, I have this shirt, and I'm just going to kind of show you guys how I do it. You can do this 2 different ways. So you can roll up each individual piece, okay? Push it into your suitcase. You can do it either horizontally or you can do it vertically. You can either roll each individual piece, or you can get both of the pieces, okay? So I already have my shirt rolled. You can go ahead and roll that shirt into the shorts, or whatever your bottom piece is, if it's shorts or if it's a skirt or if it's pants or jeans, and you can roll it into there. Boom. Now, if I roll my outfits together, I'm going to put the piece in there horizontally, but if I'm rolling them individually, I'm going to put them in there vertically. So I am going to do mine horizontally. This should fit about 8 outfits, because I have 8 outfits and about 2 dresses. And when you do this, make sure you push them up, okay, into the suitcase as well, because you want to get them as close as possible together, and also push them to the side. You can push them to either side, but make sure that you're pushing them because this is also space that's going to be utilized for something, all right? Now, I know that some people may have concerns when it comes to packing because of the weight limit, and it depends on who you fly with. So I like to fly with Southwest, and yes, there's still a weight limit, but at the same time, you have to pack smart, and you have to make sure that you maximize your space while still staying under that limit. And I'll kind of show you how I do that as well. So this is another one, and I'm just going to slide that one right up in there. Here are all of my outfits in the bag together. So as you see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8 outfits that are in here. And isn't that just so pleasing to see everything like so nicely put in? So now it's time for just a one-piece outfit. So that is going to be the rompers or the dresses. And then I also like to carry additional shirts with me, and you guys will see that in a second. So when I'm placing my rompers or my dresses in my bag, I do not roll them out because they are very thin pieces and they're going to fit on top of all your other outfits pretty nicely. So I'm just going to lay them on top, and as you see, it's very flat and you're still going to be able to zip everything up nicely and not have anything bulging out. Alright, so I have my dresses and my rompers in there, and now it's time for the additional shirts. So on this trip, I'm carrying 3 additional shirts. So I just like to have options when I'm traveling. And with these shirts, I also lay these flat as well because these shirts in particular are thin, and shirts are pretty thin in general. But yes, this right here is what it looks like. I'm gonna give you guys just a closer up view. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like right now. This is 1/2 of the suitcase. And so now I'm just going to give you a visual of how my next step, which is my shoes, will be implemented into the bag. So as I mentioned, I already have 1 pair of shoes, which are going to be these right here, that are going to be worn with more of a dress up outfit if we go out somewhere to eat at night. And yeah, so I really like these. And so I like to put my shoes in my suitcase how they come in the box. So that's going to be heel and toe opposite. So that means that they are going to go in like this. In my bag, this is going to optimize your space, okay? Now just imagine here, this bag right here, and this is my makeup bag and my accessories bag and my hygiene products bag as well. So I like to put my makeup in here, and any toothbrush, toothpaste, any feminine products I put in this bag and I place right here. So as you see, I only have room for about 2 more, maybe 3 more pair of shoes. Now, I am a person who likes to wear slides, so honestly, if I had slides, I could put 4 pairs of slides in here. But I do know that I may be carrying some tennis shoes, so I'll probably have a pair of tennis shoes in here, some slides, and then whatever shoes I wear to the airport will also be some shoes that will be integrated into my outfits. Okay, so that's just a visual of where my shoes are going to go and some additional products. Remember when I mentioned that you can optimize your packing space? Well, you can, and this is a tip that I'd give anyone who likes to have options for their clothes and who just really wants to feel comfortable on vacation, because there's no worse thing than getting on vacation and just feeling like you don't have everything that you need. You know, you pack clothes that may not be comfortable, you know, and you really don't have options. So what I like to do, and like I mentioned before, it depends on who you fly with. And I love flying Southwest. How you optimize your space is get a carry-on, okay? Now for me, I travel with 2 carry-ons, so I have, well, technically it's a personal item, but when I'm on the plane, I have 2 items with me, okay? I have a backpack and I also have my Gucci waist belt, and that's because first off, I feel as if a waist belt is going to be great for you when you're traveling, because that's where you can keep your money, your phone, and any other quick accessories that you want just at hand's length. And it's just so efficient and effective for you to travel. You don't have to worry about a bag on your arm or anything like that. Now, why I like a backpack is because, once again, you're hands free and you can have additional things in there. So you can have snacks, you can have additional accessories, you can have shoes, honey, you can have all types of stuff. And already in this backpack right here, I have an additional purse and wallet. So this is a crossbody Dooney and Burke purse with a wallet, matching wallet on the inside, okay? And I like to have options. Like I mentioned, I like to have options when I travel, so I like to have multiple purses as well. And I feel like on vacation, 2 purses would do you justice, and this purse could match with really all of my outfits that I'm going to be carrying, to be honest. So I like to have an extra purse for sure, and it just fits so well in here. If I decided that I wanted to take an extra pair of shoes that won't fit in my bag, guess what? They can go in here. My laptop can go in here. My camera could go in here. So I love having an extra bag with me, because it's just things that I can take with me on the plane that I know are gonna be with me. So, and that's another thing too. Get you a carry-on personal bag for your electronics, okay? I have been someone who has traveled and it hasn't been anything expensive that has ever been taken, but I've definitely had nice perfumes taken out of my actual luggage, which should not happen. And I've heard stories of other people who have had nice things in their luggage and they were taken, okay? If you're really taking any nice items, I would definitely carry them with you. Like my Gucci belt that I'm going to be taking, it will be in the bag with me. I'm not putting it in my suitcase, because people at airports do have sticky fingers, because they do have to check your bag, okay? So if they see something that they want, it takes nothing for them to grab it. It happens. So all of my important items that I need to take with me on vacation will be in here. They will be with me, okay? Ain't nobody taking my stuff, okay? Ain't nobody taking my stuff, all right? All right, you guys, so these are the shoes that I'm going to be bringing. So you see I have some flats in there. I have some Adidas. I have these blue low-heeled mule sandals, and then I have my heels that I showed you guys previously in there. I had a couple other things that I wanted to pack. So I have this loose loofah that I love, oh my goodness. And then I'm just packing this small toiletry bag with a couple of the essentials, you know, toothbrush, toothpaste, those type of things. Then I'm just throwing some light lotion, body lotion, and some body spray. I did do a haul on these products, so please check it out, honey. These were from Bath and Body Works. Now, I was just talking about the things that I'll be carrying in my bag, and right here is my Gucci belt, honey, and it is going in the bag. I was not playing with you guys, okay? So I'm just putting that in there and just getting that zipped up in the back. Because we are staying at an Airbnb, I am taking a towel, and then I'm just putting everything in its little home in my suitcase. I'm putting these right here in the front small little compartment, and then I'm just rolling up my loose loofah and I'm putting it in my small little toiletry bag. Here it fit perfectly. Just a little tip and trick to just make you stay aware and conscious of your bag is to leave it open. I leave my bag open until the day before, just in case I need to slide anything else in there. But yes, you guys, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, your family, your associates. And also, thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.